In this video, I'm sharing how to make chicken tom yum soup that is light, full of anti-inflammatory infused herbs and vegetables that are actually delicious. Do you know you can make red tom yum soup that looks appetizing without the paste? Yes, you can. If you don't mind a bit of kick in your soup, keep watching. First off, these are the ingredients you need. For a detailed recipe, do check the link in the description below. Using a small to medium pan that can fit to 3 cups of water, turn the heat on low and add olive oil or avocado oil. Here's the bit tricky part. I'm going to pour the chili flakes in, but chili flakes can burn in just a few seconds. Make sure the heat is on low so the oil is not too hot, and if the smoke comes out, move it from the pan a bit to cool it down. So now I'm pouring the chili into the oil for about 3 to 4 seconds. Give it a stir and make sure the color is red, not black. And add the chicken broth in and the water. Make sure they are right next to your pot before you add the chili flakes to the oil. Now add chicken. Feel free to use any part of the chicken you like. In case chicken is not a protein, check out my previous video sharing prawn version of tom yum soup. Now add the seasoning. I have palm sugar here, all natural fish sauce. Add in tamarind paste. Give it a stir and add a pinch of salt. And then I will add the herbal ingredients. Galangal, kaffir leaf, roughly tear them before you throw them into the soup to release the aroma. And I'm gonna smash the garlic and roughly chop them before I add them to the soup. I'm using half the onion, slice them before adding them into the soup. Add in roughly bruised lemongrass. I have coriander here, and I'm going to use the root to cook the broth, and keep the leaves for garnishing. Now let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm covering the pot to keep them moist and give more concentrated broth taste. Meanwhile, I'm preparing the vegetables. Cutting the tomato in wedges, and here I'm using shimeji mushroom. You can use oyster or straw mushroom for an authentic tom yum. This is for the garnishing. Prep the coriander by cutting off the stems and chopping the leaves. After a few minutes boiling, add the mushrooms and tomato to the soup and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. We want the tomato to slightly cook and still in shape. Last but not least, turn off the heat and add the lime juice to the soup. Stir the mix and it's ready to serve. Garnish with coriander for the finishing touch. Enjoy it with noodles or your choice of grain. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this.